Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn all about the track forward and track backward selection tool in Premiere Pro. Alright, so it is very useful when you want to select the multiple clips in the Premiere Pro, okay, or if you want to select all of the clips in the forward direction or in the backward direction. So suppose if you are working on this footage which is in the middle, and we have two footage over here and one footage over here. All right, and suppose you have selected this one, or suppose your playhead is over here, and if you want to select these two footage, then you can select the track forward selection tool, which you can access by pressing A on your keyboard as well, or you can come over here and select it. Okay, and I select it, and then I can click, and it is going to select all the footage or all the clips in the forward direction, okay, based on our playhead. Okay, and if I want to select the clips which are in the backward or which are behind it, then I can select this track backward selection tool, and that way if I click, it is going to select all these footage which are behind or in the backward direction of our playhead. Okay, and if I let me just show you once again, if my playhead is over here and I select this track forward or backward selection, and if I press over here anywhere in the timeline, and it has selected all the footages which are here, okay, in the backward direction. So you can access this tool by pressing Shift and A on your keyboard, and this is with the help of A on your keyboard. And if I press over here, as you can see, it has selected the footage or the clip on which the playhead is, and all the clips which are in the forward direction. Okay, so thank you so much. This is how we can use the forward or the backward selection tool in Premiere Pro. See you in the next lecture.